You're passionate about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, artificial intelligence, new product reviews, you're in the right place. Stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to give you a short deep dive into a new product that just came out. So trust me, and you don't want to miss it. Plus, I've got exciting bonuses waiting for you if you purchase through the link in the description below. So stick around till the end and learn all about these great bonuses I have for you. All right, here we go.
Introducing Internet Income Systems, IIS, your all-in-one solution to generate consistent income online effortlessly. With IIS, you can tap into a fully automated and done-for-you affiliate marketing business, allowing you to earn multiple streams of rev. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete newcomer, IIS caters to your needs with hard-coded referrals that ensure you never lose a commission. Enjoy the benefits of done-for-you emails crafted by expert copywriters that nurture and convert leads on your behalf. Take part in weekly live training sessions and gain insights from industry veterans, helping you master the art of affiliate market. Plus, as an IIS Affiliate Pro member, you'll unlock exclusive tools and advantages, including higher commission rates and comprehensive support. Don't miss out. Start your free 14-day trial today and discover a simpler, smarter way to build your online business. Join countless others who are transforming their financial future with IIS. Let's make your dreams a reality together. Right now you can get Internet Income Systems at a special price, but act fast, this special pricing can change at any time. Internet Income Systems is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.
Okay, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next new up-to-date product. And remember, the bonuses I mentioned are waiting for you if you purchase with the link below. So click it now and check it out. See you in the next video. Happy exploring. This is Larry, out. Till next time.